Are you the mesquite whisperer? Oh, brother.
Come on, bring it up. We saved a life today.
Saved a life today. Guess what we're doing today? Bean dipping you. Oh, got him! Just kidding. We got the Mazdaspeed 3 here, boys. We are doing something today that needed to be done for, honestly, I've had this part for a year and a half.
Look at this bad boy.
Unbox it. Just a little, I mean, it's lonely down there.
Needs a little bit of love down
Something needs to be down there.
It's good.
Look at the key. You know what's really cool about this mod is I got this from a subscriber. I'm gonna put his Instagram down there. I talk to him all the time. His name's Adam. He also has another Speed 3, but he actually scratched this front lip that I'm about to show you guys, and he didn't want a scratched one, so he ended up giving it to me, and he bought a new one of the exact same thing, unscratched. But front lips get scratched, so I don't really care. My car's low, so.
Let's see it.
Oh, shoot it. All right, front lip in a couple pieces.
Nice.
Here we go. The official unbagging, because we don't have a box.
Does it come in 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just in case you snap one, you got 2. Let's go put it up against the car. I'm assuming we're going to take off this little black thing right here, the OEM little crap lip. But yeah, it has this little curve and stuff. Oh, that's pretty dope.
Yeah, it
makes the car much lower, which I'm kind of scared about, to be completely honest, because I already scraped the front. As you guys see, this gets destroyed in the first place, so. What's really cool too is it came with hardware, so.
Even better.
And instructions, Corksport. This is a Corksport front lip. So yeah, there's some really cool stuff. Like all the hardware is laid out, the instructions is super good. It's really dope. They do really good work over there. So right now we're gonna go on and put on this front lip. Thank you, Adam, for the front lip. Again, his Instagram's right here. And I'll put his Instagram in the description below too. Super huge thanks to that guy. Finally putting it on today, doing it, some due diligence. I think it's gonna look really good. What do you think? I think it's gonna look shitty, right?
Spit it out.
What?
No, yeah, I do. I think it's really good. It's really cool.
So guys, we have great news. We now have a sponsor for the channel. If you guys haven't seen last videos, you guys need to go check it out after this video. It was a video where I talked about Wheelwell. After that video went live, I sent Wheelwell the video and they loved it, and they actually wanted to be a sponsor of the channel, which is huge because now we can do more things to the builds back there and potentially get a new build in the future, which I'm already thinking about, and we need to talk about that more in the future. But Wheelwell is a huge company. Wheelwell is a really cool website where you can upload pictures of your cars, upload the exact modifications to your cars. The more pictures you upload, the more parts you have on your car that you display on the Wheelwell website under your own account, under your own garage. It creates a higher mod score for you, and you can see exactly where your mod score, basically how modded your car is compared to other people in your group, so WRX STIs, or Subaru in general, or just everything over the website. Little blog posts under there. You can tag all of your social medias to go under there, so all my YouTube videos, my Twitter, my Instagram, all goes under my garage page, so you can see it all under one website instead of going to multiple different websites. I think it's the coolest thing in the world, where you can literally put your exact modifications on there, your exact wheel specs. So this is really going to eliminate questions for me in the future for what I have on my builds, because I'm pretty much just going to direct you guys to my Wheelwell link, my Wheelwell garage. Wheelwell does sell a lot of parts as well, so if you guys want to get any parts for your vehicles, they will have a ton to choose from down there as well. So go ahead and hit the link in the description, make your own garage, upload your guys' cars to your garage, put some pictures on there, put the exact mod list on there, and compare what you guys have mod score wise to people in your category or just in the site in general. It's a great page. I'm going to be using it a ton more, so I'm excited to see you guys over there. Now let's continue with the rest of the video.
Oh, I missed that. Get her done.
So it looks like all we need to do is jack up the car, take off these black pieces, put on that front lip, and drive away.
Smack the shit out of your head. That's the sound that your balls make when it hits your legs.
No.
On my own, but
All right, brother. Dude, holy. It's fine. It's fine. Jesus, this thing is high as a kite.
No dents.
Oh, we should get a thumbnail before I put it on. We just discovered is this lip is like almost like a hard plastic.
Yeah.
Which is nice because like show it bending. So it does what a lip should do. Lips are going to get a little scratched up, like right here it's a little scratched. All right here it's barely scratched, as you guys can see that. It's front lip, it's gonna last. Oh, hopefully I screwed ourselves. Here's the front bumper. The front bumper is freaking gross. Honestly, I need to get it resprayed or take care of this somehow. Old girl needs some love. But right now, we're gonna probably go look at the directions, realize it's a front lip, and it's just gonna get bolted in.
We're good.
That's it.
Ooh, we got ourselves a warranty.
So the first thing we're gonna do is, like I said before on the bumper, there's those little black things. We're gonna remove the OEM bumper flares. So it's just some 8mm. Take off the flare on either side, and then we'll be on to the next step. It's super hard to see, but this is what's gonna get removed right now. Super simple.
Ooh.
Oh, I almost got stabbed in the eyeball. That was a close one, dude.
Nice.
One down, one to go. Okay then.
Nice work.
Dude, this thing is crummy under here.
Yeah.
Whoever did this paint job, whoever resprayed the bumper did a bad job.
So with those little lip pieces off, we're actually now going to assemble the front lip, which is actually, what you use is this. This is a piece of metal and this is a piece of plastic right here, and it connects the two sides together. I'm assuming they do that because if you break one of the sides, you only have to replace one side at a time, and that's probably why you don't get it in one big piece, so it'll be cheaper down the road if you break the lip, which is honestly a common thing with people with low cars. And here's all the mounting hardware, so let's just get to it. What are you doing tomorrow? All right, so here's the plate on it. It's actually very, very sturdy. As you can see, I'm picking it up in the middle, and it's actually flexing quite a bit, which is good as well for rigidity's sake. I think this thing is gonna get really abused, but I don't think it's gonna break, because it's taking a beating right now.
Beat her up.
Just beat her up.
So going underneath the bumper right now, I've installed the U-nuts that were included with the kit. It's gonna be really hard to see. Maybe we could see these. There's 3 on either side. It's these black pieces right here. It's super hard to see because of the lighting, but there's 3 over here. There's 3 on the other side of the bumper, and there's 3 right in the center part of the bumper where like the OEM kind of lip thing is right here. Reference, this is where the ones on the OEM lip type thing is. Here is where these U-nuts are on these sides of the bumper. They go right there. Would I have been able to figure it out without the instructions? Most definitely. Did the instructions make it a ton easier? Yeah, I'm definitely glad I looked at it. Honestly, this kit, I did not buy this kit. Obviously, like, it was given to me by Adam, which thank you so much. But it's honestly a really nice front lip, nice instructions, nice installation hardware. Everything came super nice. So props to Corksport. You made a good product.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to
Come out here and give your opinion. You and the honey monster over there. You like that or what?
It does look really good.
Honestly?
My favorite part
Yeah.
is this. It has a little flare.
Because it flares out a little bit.
Yeah.
Fitment is like crazy good.
Super easy to install, uses stock mounting points, and looks good.
Looks better from the front.
You think so?
Yeah.
Dang, girl.
It fits perfect.
It's got a nice little boob job up front.
Just a lift.
Just a little lift. Little.
So guys, it is the next morning. I got a little late yesterday and my camera died out of nowhere, which you guys probably saw at a random clip that just stopped. But the front lip came out incredibly good. I'm about to show you guys, but don't give me crap because it kind of makes the front bumper look even worse with all the paint chips and everything. But don't give me crap. This thing came out incredible. Like, look at it, really accentuates the body lines and everything. Corksport actually did a really good job making this thing. Like, this little part goes out right here, it goes out right here. It's really nice, actually. Something finally ties into the side skirts now. All I need now is some kind of rear lip or rear diffuser of some sort that will tie everything in together. You can see it poking out barely. You see it in front of the front wheels, it pokes out a little bit and then it really accentuates the side skirts and it makes everything look so much better. But the problem is that I hate this. So I hate this and all of the clear coat and the bumper, like whoever sprayed this bumper just did a really bad job. Like a really bad job. This is definitely not OEM. This was aftermarket for sure. But the front lip looks super good. We have about, I would say five fingers of clearance. Like my whole hand of clearance. So that's probably, I don't know, who knows how big that is. You want to see something funny about me, guys? My pinky's messed up. You like that? Dislocated my pinky back in the day, and ever since, like this is what it would be like straight, but I can make it like go. Yeah, sorry if that grossed you out. But yeah, the front lip looks really good. Looks really good. Thank you again, Adam, for sending it out. It looks super good. There are a couple scratches on it, but again, I'm probably gonna scratch it up even more than that, so it's not the biggest deal in the world. And guys, go check out Wheelwell down below. They're gonna be a huge sponsor for the channel. I'm hoping to do great things with them in the future. Hopefully we can get a new project too in the future. Not only have this thing and that thing and Project Moneymaker. Pretty much, I need to sell the Mercedes, and then I'm going to be doing a ton more. Probably getting a new project car. We should probably do a Q&A soon to elaborate more on what I'm going to be doing in the future because there's a lot to talk about. So if you haven't, follow my Instagram down below. That's where I'm probably going to be getting the questions for the Q&A. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for hitting the like button down below. If you guys like the front lip, hit that like button down below. Comment, what do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? What color should I make the car? Comment everything. Comment anything and everything. Maybe comment some questions for the next Q&A that I'll be making because there's a lot to talk about. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, comment whatever you want, and bye.